Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 series and now you want to change your phone ringtone, then here's a video for you. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, all you need to do is go ahead and open your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you need to scroll down until you get to sounds and vibration. Click on that. Now, once you selected sounds and vibration, locate and click on ringtone. Now, to change your Samsung phone ringtone, all you need to do is select the SIM you want to use here, maybe the first SIM or the second SIM, and under ringtone volume, locate the ringtone you want to change to. After that, hit the back button. And then when next you have an incoming call, then your Samsung phone ringtone is going to be changed. So that is basically how to change ringtone on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.